What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Deadpool Rocks. Now, as you can see, you can check those lovely birds out there. Look at them. Real good. I'm actually planning on capturing one, but as you can see, that it's just finished rained and pretty dangerous when it rains. So we're gonna go. Once it rains, I'm trapped inside my room because I'm grounded. But look at those lovely birds looking for food after the rain. I got an idea. Why don't we go outside and try to capture one if it's still raining? Let's look. Still definitely raining. Okay. Oh, my dog should be coming any minute now. Ugh, Parker. I got an idea. Hey, Parker. Oh, look at him. Look at this cute little ratatouille. Doesn't anyone want to be with him? Oh, he's a cute little ratatouille. Hello, Parker. Say hello. Say hello, little doggy. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, hello. Oh, you're such a cute little ratatouille. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.